Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabi Arif Haziq bin Kamar Zaman, and today my team and I are going to present about an application of delay circuit. Okay, for the introduction, I will go for theory part first. Delay circuit is an electronic simulation device for reproduction of a signal with a delay equal to a predetermined time interval tau. Delay circuits are used in the simulation of technological processes associated with matter transfer or the channeling of power, in the approximation of equations describing complex objects, and as a component of certain automatic control and monitoring systems. For example, using a delay circuit connected to an electrical network, it is possible to record not only a breakdown of the network but also the process preceding the occurrence of the breakdowns. In actual practice, tau can vary from fractions of a second to dozens of minutes. The operation of a delay circuit is based on the use of magnetic recording, the capability of electrical capacitors of retaining a charge, and an approximation of the transfer function in an ideal delay component.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aziz and I will continue the presentation. And in a magnetic delay circuit, the time delay is proportional to the distance between the recording and playback heads. The delay is also inverse proportional to the linear speed of the data carrier. In capacitor delay circuits, signals are memorized in the form of an electrical charge of the capacitors that is proportional to the voltage level supplied to the circuit. The process of memorizing delay consists in the sequential switching of the voltage signal to the capacitors or the sequential transmission of the voltage through a series of capacitors. Next, the data thus delayed are reproduced by sequential connection of the charged capacitors to a voltage indicator, that is a voltmeter or oscillograph, or a read route by recharging the last capacitor in the series. The delay time of a delay circuit is proportional to the number of capacitors and inverse proportional to the switching frequency. Electromechanical systems limit the ultimate switching speed and decrease the reliability of delay circuits. Therefore, their use is feasible only for low frequency input signals.
Okay, hi, my name is Nabil Zamri. I want to continue for the next one. For the example, time delay relays have a time delay function built in. Triggered in different ways, time delay relays can minimize the amount of energy used to start large industrial machinery or to switch lights or machines on and off at specified times. As a safety application example, furnaces or other combustion chambers require ventilation is needed to get rid of fumes and avoid the possibility of explosions. A time delay relay can provide a scheduled window to clear noxious gases from the chamber. Other that, when lightning strikes near a power line, its energy discharge can boost the line's electrical pressure by high voltage. When voltages suddenly change, the change is not smooth. It may go on fluctuating for a short while. This may not be a good for the fridge and air conditioner, for example. So, to get such devices, a short delay is introduced while switching on until the steady state voltage is assured. This time delay circuit can help you protect your home appliance from voltage spikes. Typically, a time delay relay is triggered either by opening or closing a circuit or by providing an input current. The trigger signal may be designed with either a dry contact control switch, such as float switch, limit switch, or push button. However, there are multiple types of time delay relays and their timing functions operate differently. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilmi Nazhan. So I'm going to be continuing the presentation by giving an example. So this simple delay timer can reduce damage to the circuit. For example, when we shut down the laptop will not shut all of the system yet. It will turn off slowly because it will shut down the application that are still running one by one. As an example, if you have a Microsoft Office application that is still running, it will shut it down first and then disconnect the internet first and turn off all running utilities, Windows, and finally it will turn off the whole motherboard. This will prevent data losses for the application, and it can also prevent from window crashes when we turn on the device later. So for the conclusion, this delay circuit gives a lot of benefits to our device that we use without us realizing it. With this delay circuit installed on our device, the device can be used longer and not easily damaged, thus preventing us from spending more money to buy another one. Thank you.